Brother, how's it going? How's it going? You know, it's illegal to fly a drone, over a police station like
You
that.
sure about that?
Yep.
Get your sergeant out here. No,
Yep.
it isn't.
Okay.
It's not illegal.
You want to go in my car and just turn my radio down? Here. Oh, yeah, it's open.
I'd get a sergeant if I were you. You're fucking this up already. It's not
Am
illegal.
I?
Sure am.
Okay.
What makes you say it's illegal? Where's the law? What law states that it's illegal? I'd look it up before you do anything dumb, man. I'm already suing the Ottawa cops for doing something stupid.
Okay, so
I'm independent media. I'm working on a news story. You guys keep fucking this up. I have every right to fly this wherever I want without restricted airspace. There is no law stating you can't fly it over a police station, bro. Not one.
Okay. We'll verify that.
Go right the fuck ahead. What's your name and badge number?
It's Constable Wilson, 2486.
And you?
Right here.
Right here? How do you spell that? R-I-G-H-T or?
It's right here. The name is right here.
Yeah,
My
can you
badge
say that,
number is
please?
2727.
You can't say it? Nah, tyrant.
Why are you being so confrontational?
Oh, you come out here immediately, put your gloves on, and this is illegal, sir.
Okay, so you're giving me the face.
Yes.
All right. So I always have my gloves on for safety.
Remember yesterday you told me I put my gloves on when I respond to every call. You put them on yesterday specifically to come out and intimidate me because I was flying over the police station. It's like specifically you did it yesterday.
so-
and you said you had cuts all over your hands. No, you don't.
Yeah,
Those are the
which I did.
softest looking hands I've ever seen in my
Okay.
life. Yeah, for safety?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Because you're planning to go hands on somebody
Not
that
at
before you even tried to look up the laws.
Is that right?
Fucking child. You fucking kids, man. All of you.
All right. So I'm actually working. So I was actually coming from another call as well. So
Yeah, I just watch you put them on.
yeah. So they were right here, and I always put my gloves on for every call, right? Because I never know what's going to happen. It's for safety.
Yeah.
Why are you over at police station?
I already told you that. I'm not answering any more questions.
No, I'm just asking you.
I already told you that.
Can you remind me?
I'm not answering any more questions.
All right. What's your name?
What?
What's your name? I gave you my name.
Oh,
What's
I'm
your
not
name?
giving you my name.
Okay.
Unless you suspect I'm committing a crime and you can articulate that particular crime.
Well, I'm trying to figure that out.
Yeah. You guys don't have drone operators inside?
So we do.
I know you do.
We do for calls, though, right? For
Yeah.
specific calls and events. We don't just fly it around for nothing.
I do.
Okay.
So what makes you say it's illegal?
So I don't know that yet. It's just you're over.
No, you came out and you actually said it's illegal to fly over a police station.
All right. So let me reiterate. I'm actually not sure.
Okay.
You're over a police station and
Sure
you
am.
deal with a lot of private matters.
Like what?
Well, I'm not going to get
Everything
into
in that yard is obtainable. I can get a list of everything in that yard through the Freedom of Information Act.
The documentary opens with a drone operator filming near a police station when officers quickly approach and claim that flying over the area is illegal. Instead of backing down, the citizen calmly asks for the exact law supporting their claim and requests a supervisor. He identifies himself as independent media and insists that lawful drone operations cannot be restricted simply because officers are uncomfortable with being recorded.
Not everything.
Yes, I can.
All right.
Everything.
So I'm not
You
gonna-
guys are not a private organization. You guys think you are. You think the police station is private, but it's not.
All right.
Yes.
Certain things that we do deal with is private.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Related to any case, you're not getting everything.
Oh, related to a case? Of course I'm not. But your guys' operations, I can FOIA request that. Till hell wouldn't have it, dude.
Yeah, certain operations, yes. But there's certain
As
things.
long as it's not in part of an ongoing investigation.
Well, so you think us walking out of our cars with certain evidence is not part of an investigation? You don't think that? So
Oh,
we're gonna.
yeah, really, eh? You think that's up to you to create the privacy on that, dude?
Okay, so
You don't own the airspace.
I'll confirm that. Okay.
You better.
I don't know why you're being like so. You're clearly trying to get a reaction out of me. or
Oh,
something.
trying to?
You're
No,
not.
absolutely not. You came out here and you said that's illegal, and that got me fired up right away. And
Yeah,
then you threw
you're-
your gloves on.
you're shaking.
All you cops throw your gloves on when you're about ready to grab somebody up. I'm shaking. I'm not shaking. My camera's shaking.
I have my gloves on for every single call.
Yeah.
It's also for your safety as well, right?
Oh, really? Eh?
Yeah, because I got cuts and stuff. I don't want to
Yeah.
get that on you either, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So
Is it from punching people? Punching your wife? Your kids, maybe? Maybe. Yeah.
No.
Why do you have cuts on your knuckles?
actually from weightlifting.
From weightlifting. You have knuckle cuts from weightlifting.
Did I say it was on my knuckles?
Well, you pointed at your knuckles when you said it.
All right. I see it this way. You're
No, I don't like you. I don't like cops. I don't like the Ottawa police, especially. You guys are dirty cops. Almost all of you.
I don't know any dirty cops here.
Yes,
but-
you do. Yes, you do.
And I'm like, what was your like intention today?
I'm not
Like-
explaining that. I already told you.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Right here.
What?
My name's right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Another right here's that RITE. What's your badge number?
2884.
What do you have in your mouth? Is that gum in your mouth? You should throw that out. She's trying to say I can't fly over people.
What size is your drone, sir?
Can't give that to you.
Yeah, because if it's over a certain size, I need to see your pilot's license.
I know the rules.
Yeah, and that's the rule.
And do I have to assist you with your investigation?
You do because if
Oh, I'm obligated to assist you with your investigation,
if
eh?
your drone is over 250
Women
grams,
cops always think that I have to help them. You're wrong.
You do. Actually,
No, I don't.
yeah. You have to have a pilot's license to fly a drone.
I understand the drone rules, but I don't have to help you with your investigation. When it comes back down, maybe you can see it before I put it away.
Okay, so then bring it down.
No.
So she just explained to you if it's over 250 grams, you need a pilot's license. Do you have one?
Is it over 250 grams? I'm not
Well,
answering the
we
question.
we have to verify it.
No, you don't. How do you?
Yes, we do.
Oh, yes, you do, eh?
We have to verify how big it is, so we can let you know whether it.
So you can just walk along down the street and say, "I think you have something illegal in your pocket," and then search the guy. No, you can't do that.
No, I can't do that. You're right.
Take a look at it. Take a picture of it and send it to your drone guy.
Looks over 250 grams.
Does it really, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also,
Have you ever seen a drone? You don't know shit about drones. And you know nothing about drone laws. She had to look it up on her phone.
I didn't know about the laws, but I kind of like I've
As the discussion continues, the officers shift their focus from legality to privacy concerns and the drone's weight. The auditor argues that government facilities do not automatically create no-fly zones and refuses to reveal unnecessary details about his equipment. He repeatedly emphasizes that investigations must be based on evidence and law, not assumptions or speculation.
seen them before.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have drones.
Then you have no idea what a 250-gram drone looks like.
No, but I know what 250 grams is. Right? Maybe not for a drone, but in terms
Right.
of weight, I know what 250
And
grams.
I don't have to assist anybody with your investigation. If you want to take it, if you want to try and see it without taking it from me when it comes down, you can. But other than that, if you think I'm going to come here breaking the law, you're fucking nuts.
Yeah.
I know more about drone laws than any one of you, all of you put together.
Yep.
And a fourth cop car for a guy with a camera and a drone. Other woman cop.
Yeah, we're kind of like getting up is on the phone.
Look at this, guys. They're just police everywhere.
Okay, so can you like not come up behind me?
Go somewhere else. I'm
All
in
right.
public right now.
Okay, so
I want to hear what you're saying.
yep. So I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not hiding anything. Like,
Yeah.
what, you think I'm hiding facts here?
I think you are. I think you're conspiring.
No, I was talking to my sergeant to actually articulate what I have because I was unsure, and you're right. I don't want to tell you what I don't know. This is not something we deal with every day.
Nope, it's not. I would be willing to bet.
Yeah, so before I acted drastically, I wanted to confirm with you. Is that all right?
What?
So you can't actually fly over the gated area.
Yes, I can.
No, because it's private property.
How high up?
The only access
How
point,
high up?
the only access point through that
Is
gate
the sky right
is by
here?
a swipe card.
Yeah, that's not true.
So if you're flying over the gate, that's trespassing.
Oh, yeah, really? Eh?
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So how high up do you own?
So you can be in the grass area here. I don't know.
So I can't fly over it. Right. That's dude. You should look up the laws.
No, so you can't.
Where does it say that?
It's-
What is the law? Tell me the law.
I'm telling you right now, it's
No,
it's private
there's a
property.
number to the law. What is it?
So there's people coming in and out of the gated area, okay? That's why it's gated. It's a private property. The police station itself is public. So if you want to film the front entrance of the police station, that's different. The back entrance, it's a gated entrance. You can't be flying over.
You guys don't own airspace. That is the law. Get your drone guy out
It's
here.
private property. We have expectation of privacy. You can't be flying
don't.
over that. Yes, we do.
You have to create it, and even from the sky.
So it's created by a gate. All right.
From the sky.
So how high do you think you're flying there?
What?
How high do you think you're flying right now?
How high do you think?
I'm asking you. You're the expert.
Yeah.
So I'm just telling you right now. Just don't fly over the parking lot, and you're flying.
I can fly over the parking lot all I want.
Don't do that.
Get your drone guy. Get your sergeant. You guys are all wrong.
Okay.
I know
sergeant.
drone laws better than you.
Okay, I'll call my sergeant.
I know drone
and
laws
he's gonna
way better than
explain it
you.
to And then there you go.
There is no chance that you guys own the airspace above your place. I can fly over anything. The only thing I can't fly over is a paid event, like a concert
You're also not
or something
allowed to
like
fly
that.
over people. And
Yes,
people
you
are
can.
also in and out.
The over 250, you're not.
Okay.
All right. And when you look up the drone laws under
So are you
NAV
confirming
Canada,
the drone is not over
What-
250 grams, or it is?
I'm well within my rights and the law. You can take that however you like. I'm not telling you how heavy it
I
is.
can't just take your word for it. Just
Yeah.
because you're telling me that.
But if it's over 250, you can't fly over people. You
also
can't
need to
fly
have a
over
pilot's
events.
license. You also need to have a
You-
pilot's license over
you-
250.
I know.
So are you confirming to me that it's not over 200?
I'm not confirming anything. I'm telling you I'm acting within the law.
So no,
I'm
you're
100%
not, if that's
lawful.
Under,
I'm not telling you
that's over
confirm or deny or nothing. I'm telling you I'm acting within the law and my rights.
So I
And if
can
you guys
confirm
arrest me,
I can't confirm that.
no, I'm not helping you with your investigation.
That's
I don't have to. We are not obligated to help the police with their investigations. You guys have a lot more to learn about drone laws, so I will get your drone pilot out here because the drone pilots know.
So sergeant's not going to attend for this. We're too busy. Just let you know, please just keep your drone away from our parking
No.
lot. So you're going to be arrested.
I'm going to be arrested.
Yeah. So if
So Wilson's telling me I'm going to be arrested
Yeah.
if I go over the parking lot.
yeah, you will.
Yeah.
More officers arrive, creating an increasingly tense atmosphere. They warn that flying over the station's parking area could lead to arrest, while the citizen challenges them to identify the specific statute authorizing such action. Throughout the exchange, he maintains that aviation rules are governed by national regulations rather than personal interpretations by local officers.
100%.
By under whose authority?
So I spoke to a sergeant of mine.
I would call NAV Canada if I were you.
Right, so we can after, but you'll be arrested.
Yeah.
It's you're flying over private property. We have an expectation of privacy, and
No, you don't. Not from the air.
Well, yes, sir.
No.
You're filming us from a camera, right?
You're
It's a little
wrong.
different.
I'm filming you from here for the camera.
So it's a little different, right?
No, it isn't. This has better zoom than my
Okay, so I'm
drone.
not going to argue with you all day. I'm going to let you be. Just if you fly over a parking lot, I'll come back and I'll arrest you.
And you'll arrest me,
Yes,
eh?
sir.
Well, you're lucky I only have one battery left, and that's enough to sue you, to sue the Ottawa Police Department.
ahead.
I'm going to arrest you.
Okay.
You guys are and chicks shouldn't be cops.
Okay.
You guys would both have to team up on me, and there's nothing you could possibly do to put me on the ground.
Okay.
This guy would have to do it.
I'd have to do what?
Put me on the ground if you tried to arrest me. These two couldn't do it. I wouldn't resist, but if it came down to a fist fight, women shouldn't be cops. Never.
Yeah, why are you hiding your face now?
Why are you trying to take my picture?
Well, you took a video of mine the whole time with my name and my badge.
You're a
You
public
won't even-
servant.
You won't even give me your name.
You're a
What-
public servant.
If you're doing nothing wrong, why won't you? There you go. Why are you putting your? Why are you putting that over your face?
Because you're a tyrant.
I'm not a tyrant at all.
Yes, you are. You don't understand drone laws.
Listen, that's why I called the sergeant, right?
And the sergeant doesn't understand drone laws. Your sergeant's a moron. Guaranteed.
Okay. Have a nice day, sir.
Go f yourself. You too. You too.
The first encounter concludes without an arrest, but the disagreement leaves lingering questions about public accountability and legal authority. The narrator explains that drone regulations involve certification, weight limits, and restricted airspace. Yet simply filming a police station is not automatically prohibited. The confrontation becomes an example of conflicting interpretations of public rights. The second chapter begins outside another police station where an auditor records from a public sidewalk. A constable immediately demands identification and repeatedly tells him to leave despite acknowledging that he is not being detained. The citizen responds with a simple principle. If he is free to go, he is also free to remain on public property.
Door right there, right? Sir, did I even cross this street?
I have no idea where you were.
Well, you said I was at the door. Now you say you have no idea where I am. Man, your story's just falling apart, brother. Yo, you better save your officer here, brother. Just tell him to get back in his car and get back to work.
What's the story?
You looking like
You
a
tell
clown, buddy.
No, I'm not.
I was standing where again, sorry? You want to refresh my memory one more time?
Who's the clown recording?
Where
the
was
police
I
station
standing
at the
again,
middle of the
sir?
night?
Constable Douglas, where was I standing again?
I have no idea where you were.
Not over there like you just accused me of, correct?
No, but you're recording our door.
If I was over there at the door, that'd be private property, correct?
Yes,
Then I'd
it
be
is.
trespassing, correct?
Yes.
Am I trespassing right here?
No.
So am I breaking the law?
No, can you keep walking though?
No, I don't want to. You asked me that millions of times.
Can
I'm a
you-
part of this community. I'm a part of the public. Treat me as such, man.
I am.
Why don't you come over here and talk to me properly like some of your other officers? I gave them my name. You came over like an asshole. You don't get my name. You don't get no respect from me. I give the same thing I deserve. You came out here acting like you're going to intimidate me, man. Really?
No, I didn't.
I've lived here my whole life, brother. Yes, you did. I have it all here, man. And I'm going to make a complaint on you. Officer Douglas, Constable Douglas. What's your badge number? Sorry there.
Sorry, can you step away from me, please?
330-3330. Is that correct?
Are you going to keep recording the police station?
Is that correct, sir? What's your badge number?
Are you going to keep recording the police station?
What's your badge number, sir? Did I get that correct?
Can you walk?
Constable Douglas. Yeah, there we go.
So this is what you're doing all night, recording our police station? Answer the question.
All right, Dad.
You're talking to your dad now?
Answer the question.
All right, I'm going to go tell the boss what's going on.
Sure, I'm sure the boss will educate you.
No, you can go
I'm
talk
sure
to
the
him.
boss will educate you,
You can go
sir.
talk to him right now. He'll
Sure,
tell you the same
maybe
thing.
I will.
Yeah, leave it.
I'm definitely going to be filing a complaint
Go in
on
and
you.
talk to him right now and see if he's...
Sir, get back in your car.
Go in and talk to him.
Continue your shift, sir.
What's that?
Continue your shift, sir. De-escalate.
So let him know.
Do you remember in academy, sir, de-escalation?
Just let Lamanis know.
Do you remember de-escalation, sir? Do you remember your training, sir?
Thank you.
Do you remember your training, sir? De-escalation?
So you can go talk to the boss.
Do you remember your training, sir?
It's around
De-escalation.
around the corner.
I'm not sure you know what de-escalation is, sir.
Can you go around and tell the
You
boss?
really don't know.
Go
The
ahead.
way you got out of your car? Like you're like about to raid somebody's house or something? For a guy filming. For a guy
Filming at the
filming.
police station.
So you hopped out like you're gonna arrest me?
That's very, very, very odd. In the middle of
Is
the
it
night.
illegal?
To be recording our police station in the middle of
Yeah,
the
is it illegal?
then go and complain to the boss.
Is it illegal?
Go and complain to the boss if you have a
I
problem.
will be filing a complaint on you. Like I said,
Go ahead.
you're very unprofessional
No, I'm not.
and
I'm
just
standing.
in general, just an asshole.
Actually, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You are an asshole.
Anyway, the boss.
And he's in BZMA 767 squad car.
has nothing to do with the
Why don't you just get back in your car and get back to work, bud? You know what else you should probably do? Just another tip, just so I can educate you a little bit more. You should probably close your laptop because I can see everything that's on it, especially when I zoom in on it.
nothing on it.
Oh, okay. All right, Constable Douglas, thanks.
It's
As more officers arrive, the auditor asks whether recording the station is actually against the law. No clear legal basis is provided, and officers eventually concede that filming itself is not illegal. The exchange shifts toward professionalism, accountability, and whether public officials should respect citizens exercising lawful rights in public spaces. After supervisory involvement, tensions ease and the aggressive demands disappear. The auditor records badge numbers, discusses filing complaints, and highlights the importance of transparency. The narrator notes that lawful public photography generally remains protected unless police can clearly justify restrictions under existing law.
Cherries and berries. Your boy is on the scene. Right here in Long Beach, across the street from Jordan. See what they got going on. I bet you I break up the piggy pile. The piggy pile is about to disperse as soon as they see me. Watch. Watch where I stand.
Saturday, sir. Enjoy.
Well, you know, it ain't a crime scene no more. What was going on here, man?
Stop.
What was the traffic stop for?
Traffic violation.
Said a turn violation?
Traffic violation?
And y'all needed all this for just a traffic violation? That looked like a little over-resourced for me.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Still 1836.
And you? He don't want an ID. That's cool. Got him, so that's what I need. What was your name and badge number?
Officer Bouzarif, 1084A.
Bouzarif?
Bouzarif.
Bouzarif. All right.
You're standing in the roadway?
Well, I came in your window because you know y'all got it stopped up.
What's that?
I mean, I had to get your attention somehow. What you wanted me to do?
Oh, you're standing in the roadway, sir.
Well, I wasn't standing. I came to ask you a question.
Okay.
Don't try to make a big issue of it.
No, I'm not, sir. You're being detained.
Who?
You are.
For what?
Standing in
For knocking on your window?
Sir, you're standing in a roadway.
So you detaining me now for me just getting your attention? This is gonna be lovely. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
You're being detained.
Call your supervisor.
Sir.
Call your supervisor. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear your reason. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
Okay, I will.
Call your supervisor. I don't want to hear it. Just call your supervisor.
Sir, you're being detained.
Call your supervisor.
Sir.
Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor.
I will.
All right, that's all I need you to do.
My investigation.
What's your investigation on?
Standing in a roadway, sir.
Was I standing there or did I come get your attention? Because it's all on tape.
Stepped off the sidewalk.
Okay, it's not illegal to step off the sidewalk.
You're standing in a roadway.
Did I impede any traffic? No, I did not. There was no traffic coming by. You just making up shit. That's all good. That's why I got you on tape. Just call for your supervisor. I don't want to hear the rest of your shit you're saying. Do that. Just shut up. Call your supervisor. I don't want to hear shit else.
If you don't.
I don't want to hear I don't have to listen to you. I don't have to listen to you. I can overtalk you as many times as I like. I don't have to hear a goddamn word you say. Call your supervisor.
Sir, you're being advised.
Call your supervisor. Okay, did I go anywhere? This is the unlawful detainment, so it's going to be great. This is going to be awesome right here. You're a fucking idiot. Yeah, it's an unlawful detainment. Get him out here. That was so dumb. You detaining me because I'm asking for your name and badge number? So stupid. You're so dumb. You're so dumb. Your training officer didn't even try to detain me when I asked him for his at the window where they pulled off before you. That's how stupid you are. That's how stupid you are.
It's up to him, sir.
That's just how dumb you are. It's okay. It's okay.
So I'm going to advise you this, okay?
I don't want to hear what you advise me. I don't care. Blah, 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 blah. Shut up.
I'm advising you that now.
Force is going to be used against me for what?
You don't comply with.
The final chapter moves to a traffic stop where another citizen observer questions why multiple officers are present for what appears to be a routine violation. After approaching to request names and badge numbers, he is unexpectedly detained for allegedly standing in the roadway. He immediately disputes the justification and repeatedly requests a supervisor.
I don't got to comply with you. You ain't gave me a lawful order. What's your lawful order? I'm listening. What's the lawful order?
Standing in the roadway, sir.
And you asked me to get out the road. I'm out the road.
Right.
So I comply. So how am I not complying? You sound stupid. Just shut up. You sound dumb. You sound dumb. Shut up. Yeah, right. The guy who didn't identify. I'm glad he came back so I can get the driver name. Show how stupid you are out here. You the one being like this. You just started this trying to unlawfully detain me because I asked for your name and badge number. It's all good. I got you. Just shut up now. You've already done enough. You just shut up. You've already stepped in it. So now I'm detained because I came to ask him for his name at his window. While he has remind you, he has the whole street blocked, right? Remind you, he has the street blocked and there was no traffic coming his way, but he says I was impeding traffic, right? I was impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Ass, you're a shut up. Shut up, you're a ass. Idiot.
Sir,
I don't want to hear you. I want to speak to your supervisor. I don't want to hear you. I want to speak to your supervisor. For what? For what law? What law did I break?
going in circles.
What law did I break?
Go to comply with
What
the
law did I break?
I am going to.
What law did I break?
Okay.
What law did I break?
Standing in a roadway.
So he's detaining me, he said, because I came to his window to ask him for his name. The same way I asked you. Now I'm detained for that. That's what this is about. So you correct your officer. Because there was no traffic coming. You guys have this blocked off, so I'm not impeding anyone. I came to his window to ask him for his name. Now I'm automatically detained magically just for asking him for his name. That's how dumb this guy is. So are you going to correct him, or are y'all going to also take the same course with him? Which one y'all going to do?
Listen to what he's trying
I don't want to listen to him because everything he's saying is a lie and it's unlawful. This is an unlawful detainment. I have committed no crimes. So right now he's in the commission of a crime himself. So I don't have to listen to this dummy. I don't want to hear you. I wasn't standing in the roadway. I don't want to hear you. You shut up. Yes, I would like for you to explain how he just unlawfully detained me and how y'all gonna justify it. Let me hear it.
So you walked into the street.
Right, which is not a crime.
It's not a crime to walk in the middle of the street.
It's not a crime to walk in the middle of the street, especially if it's blocked off by police, because there's nothing to be impeded. He's already stopping all the flow of traffic coming this way. There was no traffic coming out. So why didn't you detain me when I asked for your name? Because I was standing in the same spot.
So you don't answer questions, but you can ask.
No, I don't answer. No, I don't answer no questions. I don't have
Answer your
to.
question then.
Okay, you don't have to. So what, we gonna just stand here all day?
I guess so.
Well, let's do it. Call your supervisor now.
For what?
Because you guys are unlawfully detaining me for one, and then you're backing up this officer, this piece of shit here, for unlawfully detaining me for no reason. I've committed no crimes. So what are we here for? So now I'd like to speak to a sergeant. I don't want to speak to you. You've already done too much. I don't want to speak to you. Just give me a sergeant out here. That's all I need. I need a sergeant. I don't want to talk to you.
Questions either when you get.
I might if he's reasonable, but this dude is unreasonable, and you're unreasonable, and you never identify. So what's your name and badge number?
My name's Officer Ray. My badge number is 12050.
Cool.
Park in Atlantic.
This is gonna be good right here. I don't want to hear you. I don't care. I don't care.
Release your fingers behind your head.
For what?
Because you're being detained.
Okay, that's fine with me. What about I'm gonna resist? I got my phone. Can I set my phone down? I don't want it. I don't want you to take it. I'll put it in my pocket. I'll put it in my pocket. Now, you see, they took my phone, violated my rights, made me turn off my recording. They didn't want to answer if I can pick it up, so I just picked it back up myself. And this right here detained me for no reason. He's running my name, and he told me that if I don't give him my ID, he said I'll be under arrest, right? You said I'll be under arrest if I didn't give you my ID, right?
Fail to identify yourself.
Yeah, to fail to identify as a secondary crime, you have to commit a crime prior to that.
The detention escalates into a heated argument over identification requirements, alleged traffic obstruction, and constitutional protections. The citizen insists he committed no offense and accuses officers of retaliating against him simply for exercising his rights. He vows to challenge the detention through complaints, court proceedings, and public records requests.
Idiots. And you know that too, right? You know that a failure ID is a secondary crime, right? Remain silent. Idiot. Oh, and he gonna cite me? This is even better. This is even better. You gonna cite me so now I can take him to court? How stupid is he? An idiot. An idiot. And I never got a sergeant. So are y'all refusing me my sergeant?
We have to drive here.
I don't care. Did you call for one?
I did, yeah.
Good. 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 This is gonna be good right here. Y'all some idiots. Real life idiots. So what they did was he detained me because I just walked to his window and asked for his name and badge number. Then he said, "Oh, you stepped in the roadway like that's illegal." I could walk across this street right now. That's not illegal. Jaywalking is still not citable. They changed that in January. So that still wouldn't be shit. So I wonder what he cited me for. Cause he gonna say I was impeding traffic, although there was no traffic coming. I have that, and he has this street blocked off, so traffic can't even flow this way. How dumb is he? In court, he's gonna look really fucking dumb, and you're gonna be there looking dumb because you're his overhead right now. You're over this stop. You're his superior right now. You are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. So when I called for a supervisor, why did you show up?
You called supervisor after I showed
No. I called for a supervisor before you showed up.
No, I wasn't here for that. So.
Oh, so he didn't call for a
I'm not a
supervisor.
sergeant.
So he didn't call for a supervisor.
I don't know. I wasn't here.
Ah, that's good to know. I'm also going to request that radio chatter too, so I can get that through public records to see if he also did that or not. This is going to be great. This is going to be great. I knew when I seen y'all dumbass to come down here and videotape y'all. I knew it. I just knew it. This is going to be good. You make sure you stay right there because you training. You watch this so you don't do the dumb shit that they doing. This is going to be lovely in court. And I'm also sending this to the FBI so they can investigate y'all for federal crimes. Because every time y'all violate a citizen's rights, that's also a federal crime. So I'm going to investigate y'all by the FBI. This is going to be good.
Yeah. All right. Phone number for you, sir?
I ain't giving you shit else. You got what you need. I'm not giving you shit else. You got what you need.
Okay. We're going to go talk. Yeah. Sergeant's on his way for you. Okay. Sergeant's on his way for you.
No, I need you to stay here. I need you to stay here. You just up. I need you to stay here.
Not at all, sir.
Yeah, you did.
Not at all.
Because you just detained me for unlawful reason. You just forced me to ID. Did you not just tell me if I don't give you my ID that I'm gonna be arrested?
You're
Good.
failing to identify yourself.
That's a secondary charge. That's a secondary charge. You dumb
Okay.
idiot.
Would you like me to provide him with your phone number?
Why would I do that? Did I give you a phone number to provide them with you? The f out of here. I thought you was writing a citation. What happened to that?
Officers are asking for help.
Okay, let me make sure I get your number on the back of this. It's gonna be 18860. And it's the same way I was in the street prior to. Dumb. Your sergeant better be on the way too. Go ahead.
The documentary closes by comparing all three encounters, showing a recurring pattern of citizens demanding clear legal authority while officers struggle to articulate specific violations. Whether involving drones, cameras, or simple observation from public property, the central message remains consistent. Accountability depends on knowing the law, asking the right questions, and ensuring that enforcement actions are grounded in clearly defined legal standards rather than assumptions.